Hello and welcome to Sports Today. This is Rajul Sharma from Fans India, and today's update is again from Adelaide Oval. What a day for Team India. The way our bowlers performed today, they've proved it. They are the best bowling attack right now in Test cricket. And all the questions that would arise yesterday about Team India's batting is all solved now. You've seen how Team Australia struggled against Team India's classic bowling. The 62-run lead is very lethal, and tomorrow is the best day to bat at Adelaide Oval. So India hopefully will make enough runs in the first two sessions, and then maybe we'll get Australia to bat in the third session and take some quick wickets. So as I say, summing it up, it was a brilliant day for Team India. Fans were very excited, they were cheering. The only negative about this whole tour is the Sydney cluster. There are 28 active cases right now in Sydney, in New South Wales, and there is a bit of a question mark right now on the Sydney Test, the Pink Test match. We'll keep you updated on the situation from Australia. The next 2 days are very crucial. If this cluster gets contained, we will definitely have a Sydney pink ball test match. Otherwise, Cricket Australia is thinking of either moving that test match to Melbourne or to Adelaide at this stage. No decision has been taken. They have keeping their options open. Cricket Australia is working hard. They are making their plan B, C and D. As you know, the situation is moving quite quickly. Just to do a bit of a recap, at the start of the series, Melbourne was doubtful. Everyone was worried about MCG, the Boxing Day Test match. Then the question was on Adelaide Test, whether Adelaide would be ready to host the Test match. And now the question mark is on Sydney. So this whole COVID situation is moving really quickly. The good news is, in Australia, state governments work really hard. They have a really good tracking system, and they are successfully able to contain the clusters in Victoria and South Australia. So we are hoping that situation in New South Wales would be brilliant, and we'll keep you updated in the next few days. So now let's talk to a couple of fans here, or actually a lot of fans here, and find out what they were doing around the ground when India was doing really good. So Padma, how was your experience today?
Oh my God, we guys had a ball of a time. We really enjoyed, and the Indian bowlers just smashed it. We had a ball, seriously, especially being with Fans India. I really enjoyed. I think we all really enjoyed.
So what were you guys singing today? If you're going to show our viewers what was happening.
One day, we won. One day, we won. One day, ये मेरा दिल जीत का दीवाना. जीत का दीवाना आता है हमको और जिसको हराना. ये मेरा दिल.
That's the situation at Adelaide Oval. Fans want Team India to win again, and let's hope India will start with a victory here in Adelaide Oval.